Hi guys, we have Kris here, who about 3 months ago had a stem cell transplant, which was done in her left knee, and it was intra-articular and subchondral stem cell transplants. She's doing really well. Just wanted to share that with you. So, Kris, how much better are you after the procedure in terms of pain?
Like 100%.
And so even when you're walking a lot, you don't have much pain, even when you're active.
Correct.
How has it made a difference in your life?
Well, it makes life a lot easier. I can at least get around now without pain.
Excellent. And you mentioned about climbing stairs at work.
Yes.
How many flight of stairs do you have to climb?
3.
And multiple times a day, you were telling me.
Yes.
And has this procedure made a difference?
Oh, yeah. It makes it easier.
Excellent. And how is your disposition?
Very painful. It's very painful.
Before the procedure?
Yes.
Sounds great. Thanks for sharing your story, Kris.
Sure.